Power of Matchbox. Parents, teacher, educator. Shake, shake, shake. Keep watching till the
Are
end.
you ready for superb games? Are you ready for brain games? Matchstick puzzles. Puzzle number 46 to 50. Are you ready? If you need more time, please remember to pause the video. For these puzzles, all you need is a standard matchbox. Puzzle number 46. Are you ready? Here we have one square and two rectangles. Now add just one matchstick to get two squares and three rectangles. Get set, go. Puzzle number 47. Are you ready? Move one matchstick to create two triangles, one large and one small. Get set, go. Puzzle number 48. Are you ready? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is not equal to 3. Correct this equation by only moving one matchstick to get the equation correct. Get set, go. Puzzle number 49. Are you ready? From this number 55, move 4 matchsticks to change it to number 110. Get set, go. Puzzle number 50. Are you ready? Move 2 matchsticks to create 2 squares of equal sizes. Get set, go. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.